Right, here is the swarm under the rose bush. Here we are. Oh, being very bee-like.